YouTube email friend of mine who I do trust. And I have my reasons for trusting this person, okay? Reasons that are none of anybody's business. Invited me and Omar to go stay with him. I'm not going to do that. But I think I might talk to him on the phone. I think I might. Because words, texts, emails can never truly get across what I'm trying to say. And if I have to become a whistleblower and expose this fucking shit, and seeing these fuckers go down in flames, figuratively speaking, will make me a vindication for them destroying my brainwashed by them mother. For them destroying my relationship with my brainwashed by them mother. This is sick. Started off sick and just got sicker and sicker over the months. It's disgusting. That's why I refer to it as Twilight Zone madness. My flip phone dies very fast. I already pointed out to you I trust this person. Okay? But in any case, I just have a stupid flip phone that isn't traceable, so, you know. And I have an area code that's not even remotely where I live, because I was doing personal ads and all that, so I intentionally choose the furthest away area code possible. That's what I do, that they can give me. See how smart I am? Not for what it's worth, it's not worth much. Just like if I just want to see these people go down. What do I do? I have to get out of here first. I have to get out of here now. I can't take this anymore. My physical, emotional support animal, legal. This is a law, okay? People might not like the law. Tough luck if you don't like it. It was made into a law. And people abuse laws all the time, not me, but you know what I mean? It was made into a law for the people who needed it, and unfortunately that meant that a lot of people abused it. But it's still the law. And I'm going to read to you what I fucking wrote in order to be approved to have Omar as my emotional support animal, okay? I wanted to find my bra. I can't find my bra. I'm not going to look for my bra. Who cares? This is not a get all glammed up situation. Whistleblower. That's what I'll be. I'm sorry, you can't be, I guess you can't be a whistleblower unless you actually work inside of a company you're exposing. Then I don't know what you call me. I just know this shit is fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up. Fucked up. Okay? Scariest fucking thing of all is my brainwashed mother sees it but denies it. She wants to be an ostrich, okay? So it's not that she doesn't actually, she just doesn't care. No one cares. We've already established church woman, retract, went back and doesn't care. And this doctor cares but can't really be bothered to go that extra mile, so to speak. Only just had him become another person to betray me, another person I can't trust. Or I was foolish to fucking trust in the first place. I need to get the fuck out of here. And do what, Laura? Oh, do what? Sit down with a motherfucking professional and expose these motherfucking so-called professionals. That's what. That's what. That's what. Who is not going to be, you know, like my mom's doctor. This is an outsider, okay? Whose solution was no real solution to the undeniable fucking bullshit problem. These people need to go down. And I'm the only one able to do it. Maybe if my mom had it in her, but that's all part of my thing too. It's sick. It's fucking sick. For sure. Even if my mom had it in her, she wouldn't, so. I'm fucking headed towards a shelter in the middle of winter with my emotional support animal dog that's 13 years old and blind and has glaucoma, and I don't have any money, so I've got nothing to lose, okay? I have nothing to lose. Not anymore. I've already lost her. Her own fear, her own stubbornness, her own foolishness, her own naivete. Take your pick. Take your fucking pick. I could just tell you one thing. One. And you would be like, you've got to fucking be kidding me. One thing. And you'd be like, you've got to fucking be kidding me. And then I'll say, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Selena found this one out. I thought her mind couldn't be more blown. But it was. And then Kurt's like, they can't do that, but they do, but they do. You can't say they can't. You can say about cops, you can say about anything. They can't do it, but they do it. They deny, they cover up, they hide, they do it. You can't just say to me, oh, well, they can't do that. But they do. See? They do. And she knows it, but she tells nobody. Not only tells nobody, but makes me be out to be, because like I said, I eavesdrop on phone calls. She makes me out to be the problem, me out to be crazy, okay? So it's not a whistleblower. A whistleblower has to be part of a company and exposes the company. I told you about that woman. She was dying of cancer, and she exposed what was happening within her. And she was high up too, but she couldn't stop anything that was happening. She used her dying days, her last few months on this earth. That's something that I would do, to expose the fucking shit that was going on in the VA hospital here in New England. I don't think it was Massachusetts. It might have been, wherever it was. It was featured on the news. She used her dying days, and she was able to write and communicate. She had inside thing, but she was high up, and she still couldn't stop it. She exposed it, is what she did. She fucking exposed it. Okay? She exposed it. She fucking exposed it. And she was fucking dying. She was dead. I mean, she died shortly after, but she wrote this much. She exposed every last little fucking bullshit thing that was going on in this VA hospital that was disgusting her. Okay? And she was high up enough to have credibility. I have documented everything. So, and like I said, all along I've been keeping her doctor in the loop, okay? So that does increase my credibility more so than if I never said one peep and now I'm saying something, okay? This is disgusting. I can't do anything while I'm here. I am so sorry, baby. We have to leave. Before it's too late. I wind up breaking down and go into a mental hospital and then I lose him, or, you know, it'll be too late. I won't even be able to function. I won't be able to speak. I won't, you know. I have to leave. Maybe I could do a go get someone. God, do I love that stranger, that woman. She used her dying. She was dying of cancer, but she was sickened by what was going on in the place where she worked for a long time, and she was in a high enough a position, and she wrote a book. She wrote, it was on my news. She wrote pages and pages. She exposed every fucking little thing with her dying breath is what she did, and I love people like that. I love them. I love them. I love them.